Hey guys, so in this video, I will show you how you can verify your Hostinger domain on Google Search Console. So on my dashboard, you just have to log in your account on Hostinger. So on my account, I'm going to verify this knowledgebasehub.com. So after that, you're just gonna have to search for the Google Search Console and click the first one that come up. And so it will take you here, and once you're here, you want to click on this drop down menu, then click add property, and now we can add our domain. So go into Hostinger, choose the website that you want to add, and I'm going to add this domain here, the knowledgebasehub.com, and you can go ahead and paste that into the first domain box and then click continue. Then this window will open where it's going to ask you to verify your domain via DNS record. So we're going to need to add a TXT record to Hostinger. So once again, choose the domain that you've entered into Google Search Console, click on manage, then you want to go to the DNS name servers. So from here, just click on the type and look for the TXT. And for the name, we can leave it blank. So for the TXT value, we're going to copy the link from the Google Search Console and now paste it on the TXT value. After that, just click add record. And now you can go back to Google Search Console and click verify. And now your ownership is verified. I hope you find this video helpful and make sure to subscribe and like.